it's a beautiful retreat center. The food is buffet, vegetarian, gourmet.
Yes.
You can eat as much as you want, select what you want. There's lots and lots of choices, 3 meals a day. And then we have yoga during the day. We specialize in the feet and then the back and then the neck and shoulders, the core, relaxation, restorative poses, which I know a lot of you like.
Yes, and everybody was at different levels too. I mean, that made it good for everyone, you know?
Yeah, that's right, Kelly. There was people who have been doing yoga for a long time, and a couple people were brand new.
Yes, yes.
Tell me about the housing.
There's beautiful cottages, and you walk to them. They're separate from the yoga room and the dining hall. And they have a heater. Everyone has a little heater. You flip a switch and you get a fire. And there's 2 separate bedrooms in each cottage, and then like a kitchen and a shared living room and a big shared bathroom.
Yeah.
It's big. Yeah.
It is big. Yeah. I was really impressed.
Comfortable beds.
Yeah.
Debbie, I just oh my God. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Joan, it's a beautiful drive to get there, right on the coast.
Oh, beautiful. Yes.
Yeah.
So you go on the coast and then you go up a hill, and so it's in the forest.
Yeah. Yeah. It's really quite extraordinary to immerse yourself. Just forget about everything, and just take care of yourself, walk around, do yoga, eat, talk with people or not talk with people.
Are there other services, like you could get a massage or something?
Yes, there is, Debbie.
That is a very good one, I think.